Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Scam Creations. Today we will learn how to install plugins in our WordPress website. A plugin is a small software that enhances the features and functions of a WordPress website. Today I am going to install Elementor plugin in my website. To install plugin, open WordPress, click on plugins option and then select plugin installed. You can see WordPress already have these two plugins by default. I don't want to use these plugins, so I will delete them. Click on this checkbox. The two plugins are selected. Now click on the delete option. You can see plugins are deleted successfully. Click on add new button and write your plugin name here. Here is my desired plugin. Click on install button. You can see a plugin is installing. Now activate this plugin. You can see Elementor has been activated successfully. Now you can use the elements of this plugin easily. That's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also like this video and share to your friends. Thank you.